What if that annoying clicking sound behind your dashboard could be fixed in less than 10 minutes without replacing a single part? Many drivers hear constant clicking, ticking, or knocking noises from their HVAC system and immediately assume an expensive repair is coming. But in many cases, the blend door actuator simply needs to be reset and recalibrated. In today's Flow Fit DIY video, I'm going to show you a simple reset procedure that could restore proper heater and air conditioner operation and save you a trip to the repair shop. Let's jump right in. Step 1. Turn the vehicle off. Start by completely shutting down your vehicle. Remove the key from the ignition or turn off your push-button start system until all dashboard lights go dark. Now wait about 30 seconds. This short pause allows the HVAC control module to fully shut down and prepares the system for a fresh startup. Step 2. Remove power from the system. Open the hood and locate the vehicle's battery. Using the appropriate wrench, loosen the negative battery terminal and carefully disconnect it. Leave the battery disconnected for at least 5 minutes. This process erases temporary HVAC memory and forces the system to perform a new calibration when power is restored. Step 3. Reconnect and relearn. Reconnect the negative battery cable and tighten it securely. Next, sit in the driver's seat and turn the ignition to the on position without starting the engine. Leave it there for approximately 1 minute. You may hear clicking, whirring, or slight movement from inside the dashboard. That's actually a good sign. The blend door actuator is moving through its full range of travel and relearning its proper positions. Avoid touching any temperature or airflow controls during this process. Step 4. Verify the repair. Now start the engine. Slowly adjust the temperature from cold to hot and then back again. Switch between vent modes such as face vents, floor vents, and defrost. Check that the airflow changes correctly and listen carefully for any unusual noises. If the clicking is gone and the temperature responds normally, congratulations, the reset worked. Before you go, keep in mind that a reset won't repair a physically broken actuator. If the noise returns quickly or the temperature still doesn't respond correctly, the actuator may need replacement. However, many HVAC issues are caused by lost calibration, and this simple procedure often gets everything working again. A quick pro tip: always ensure your battery connections are clean and tight, as a weak connection can cause calibration issues. Also, try not to adjust your climate settings for about 15 seconds immediately after. If this guide helped you fix your problem, give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to Flow Fit DIY, and hit the notification bell for more money-saving repair tutorials. Thanks for watching, drive safe, and I'll see you in the next one.